is part 2. Got a little train coming down here.
You guys are cows.
My brother just said that. So the train's going down here. And here it comes. This time it's a Canadian Pacific. And another Canadian Pacific. There's always CPs and Canadian Pacifics down here. It's like nothing else. Like no CNs, no VIAs, no Amtraks, just CPs, just CP rails and Canadian Pacifics. It's quite rare because it's really cool because this one time like a steam locomotive came down here, a Canadian Pacific steam locomotive, and that was like many years before we moved here though. So yeah, and so the Canadian Rockies is what I'm really looking forward to go to, the Canadian Rocky train. Here's horn. The Canadian Rocky train is like goes through the Rocky Mountains in Canada, and it comes to Kamloops and other places like that. And yeah, so the railroad that I like is like in the Caribou. So yeah, that was the end of it. See you guys later.